Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. This is the video for the special sales for May, and yeah, this is the Marie-Antoinette style. Yeah, it's a tea party, yeah, theme altered door for the, yeah. So yeah, this is also the price that I mentioned for the winner for the month of April. So yeah, for this kit you will receive one of these door, and yeah, she bendable. Yeah, you can see her arm can bend, and the leg also, so you can let her to sit or stand. And yeah, this idea came from the pin cushion, Victorian style pin cushion, but we couldn't get the door, the porcelain door in our country. So yeah, what I did is I just bought this door, so we can alter her in any style you like. So yeah, this is the original door, came with the dress. So yeah, if you like, you can use the original dress and add another fabric on top or whatever. Also, if you want to dye the color, you don't like the white, I believe you can spray the tea on this door, or yeah, maybe you remove it, because she used the hot glue to glue all the fabric to get on her body, so you can remove it. And I remove this one, and yeah, the arm also can bend. So yeah, this is very flexible door. So yeah, you can make it as a pin cushion door if you like, but I didn't do the pin cushion because I don't have the fiber anymore. So yeah, I just show you how I did later. And for the kit also, you will receive the fabric, this one for the inside the dress. And yeah, let me grab the fabric to show you first. On the side of my place, you can see it's really full of the item. And also you got these 2 layers of this embroidery. You can see the flower, 2 layers. Underneath is another layer. Okay, so half yard of this one. Okay, and yeah, all the fabric and lace you get half, yeah, of this. And also the two, only the two, I include the two for you, so you can use this underneath the skirt. This will get 1 yard, this one. And I also sew this corset, so you behind here you can use the, oh yeah, I will have to, yeah, almost forget later, I will add this tiny trim, yeah, this trim for you to, you can punch the hole here, and so you can tie with the trim corset style, crisscross. I mean, this one is the front. Okay, this I make because I remove. If you don't, yeah, you can, yeah, use back the dress or the original dress, but I sew this one. So you get this, and you got this gorgeous bridal a bit trim lace. Yeah, later I show you how I use it. And this doily for the head. And you got this one is the cup. You have to glue the edges and this put on top, so you got the teacup, okay, as a head. And you got the teapot, you have to stuff. This one is, I didn't stuff this teacup, but if you want, you can, yeah, put the fiber in. And this one also I make it flat, so you can stuff it with the fiber and cut the holder, this part here. Okay, so you can stuff the fiber in. And yeah, almost forget, I still have one more thing to insert into the the clip. Almost forget. Too messy paper. Yes. Let me just show you. Okay, yeah, this clip, because I use this to hold the, later I'll show you how to use this. Okay, and also you include this tiny trim for you. Because of this color, I believe this peachy pink is matched with this, so I include this one, and also include these two flower to match the theme. And this gorgeous beaded flower is handmade by Asma, so I custom order for to this. Okay, and the tiny teaspoon and fork for the earring. If too long, if you see if it's too long, maybe you can just cut half and see how you can make it shorter, but I just use original length. I didn't cut it. Okay, and that's it. All this is into the kit. So yes, the door, and now I show you the door. Let me adjust my camera. Okay, and this one, yeah, later I will add this in. Okay, this is the, you see the tiny teapot teacup that I ordered. I stuffed the fiber inside. So tiny, use the trim, cut the pieces. Okay, super cute. And this is the teapot that I ordered. It's in the tiny one. Yes, forget. You will also include this one. Yes, let me do. Where did I put? Oh my goodness. Let me check. Yeah, either I will find it, I think, somewhere under my table. Let me see if I can grab it. Yeah, I found it. So yes, tiny ribbon. Bow. I mean tiny bow. Yeah, and I will also also you will get this, you can see these beads here, and I will also make these two dangle into the bow. So yeah, and also add this flower. Yeah, we make the bow and this tiny dangle. Okay, this one you will get this later. I will make this and add this one and this one in the kit. Almost forget. Okay, this is the little tiny teapot, and let me just zoom in, and the head here. Oh, because the flower I didn't glue it. Let me see, where's the this one I just put here to show you. Okay, later we'll put in. Okay, let me just show you. Oh yes, and some more. I will add the tiny ribbon flower, but I believe not this color. I will add another color to match with this theme. Okay, into this. So I just simply use the two just running stage and make the something like this together to tie the this part here. So yeah, this is a teacup. It's a pin. I just clip on the pin, and this I glue together with the doily. See, I glue together in onto the doily, and this is the beaded flower. I just put like so. Oh my goodness, the camera can not zoom. Oh, okay, perfect. So underneath I add this clip, so you can clip on the top, and the bottom I didn't do anything. And this one, you can see I used the beaded trim and this trim to glue around, like so. So you get the teacup head. Okay, so you can put on top here. See, yeah, which you prefer. Okay, and yeah, this, like I say, I just running stage to glue this, sew this, and add the beaded flower, and tie her hair like so. Let's drop again. Oh my goodness. Okay, and the neck I also use the beaded trim to make like a necklace or whatever, I don't know how to call it. And the earring, so you use the pin. Oh yeah, I will include the, let me just see, I still have available for the so I will include this like a pin, so you can cut shorter. And because this, she got the ear hole, so you can put together with the teaspoon and the pin together in the ear hole. So yeah, got this earring here. Okay, add the pin and the dress. I also do just the running stage onto her, make the dress just as a be running stage. And this one, the corset, you can see I make the hole and tie use the trim to tie, so we can adjust her body, the tighten, see the shape. Okay, and top here I just add this trim, go around here. Okay, and the skirt, the dress, I use the running stitch, 3 layer. Underneath is the 2, so you can see her leg can bend. And second layer is this, and this is the 3rd layer. All is used the running stitch. If your sewing skill is good, you can sew it, but my sewing skill is not really good, so I just use my hand stitch, the running stitch, to stitch the skirt. Okay, so yeah, like this. And the shoes also, yeah, for the kid, you also got the pair of the transparent Cinderella shoes. Can you see it? What I did is I cut the small pieces of the bridal lace to add on top. So you can move. Let me to show you. See? Like this. Okay. I believe, yeah, was the gorgeous. You're all so talented, and you will create your own different style with the same material. Yeah, I just love to see everyone, yeah, use the same kit, but that will create a different design. Yeah, it's so pretty. All the project you all share into the group, so inspiring. And yeah, if you want, you can make it as a pin cushion, so inside you just add the fiber, and but you have to sew the something to hold the fiber. But for me, yeah, I just leave it like so. Yes, you can stand because you can see something support her. so she can stand very still. And let me put back her head. She looks so gorgeous. I love her. I love to collect the Barbie doll. Actually, all kind dolls. So yes, let her to stand properly. Maybe the head too heavy, she cannot stand still. So yeah, this flower, just leave it here first. And where's my teapot? Yeah, she got the teapot here. And where's the teacup? Somewhere here, I think. Yeah, couldn't find the teacup. Oh. Okay. Yeah, they see the stand. Let me let her to sit properly. Yeah. Okay. Easy for you to show you. Okay. Yeah. Please leave your comments for your order, and I will send the invoice to you. And please make your payment as soon as you receive your invoice. So yeah, so I know. And the pre-order I will close I think, yeah, I just leave it the pre-orders because I will finish when I have to make the May kit. After the May kit, I will make this special sales kit. So yeah, just leave your comment. And yeah, this you can see I use the bridal flower to make her bracelets, like so. And where is my teacup? Couldn't find my teacup. Teacup, where are you? I lost my teacup. Yes, I lost my teacup. Later I'll find back my teacup and put together. Oh, I found it. Look at this. This is my teacup. Okay. She can hold the teacup if you want. Okay. Yeah, this is my gorgeous lady I put in my collection. So yeah, please leave your comment for the order, and I will list the price, and please check the price in the description box. And yeah, thanks again for everyone. And yes, you see, this is your winning gift price. So yeah, you can, I will send it tomorrow. Not tomorrow, it's Monday. Okay, to you, so you can start to create your own style doll. Okay, and thanks again for everyone, and